Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function that removes zero token from our side when that zero token is not needed. Today I will add comments that will explain the reader how the program is solving the inequality. I will quickly review the algorithm. We are first identifying tokens that needs to be moved to the other side. Then we create a negated version of that token and we add that negated token on both sides. So taking the test case 5, first I am identifying that t needs to be moved from left hand side to the right hand side. The negated token is negative t. I am adding negative t on both sides. I have here 0. This is what I have on the right hand side. Then I am identifying positive f times x that needs to be moved. Negative f times x is the negated token. I am adding it on the both sides. There is nothing on the right hand side because I would have plus f times x minus f times x. Okay, so what I will do, I will print out the explanation each time I am moving a token. So I will start first by making a statement that I am in the phase 1 of the solution. So I will add an empty line, and then I will say print phase 1. Okay, and then let's see where we are moving a token. So here I am creating the negated token and I am moving it, and I will print out first an empty line, and then I will say print moving, adding neg token on both sides. Okay, so and I want to print out the negated token. So this will be, there will be 3 objects. So first one is adding, and then the parentheses, then the negated token, whatever is its value, and then on both sides. And I will do the same thing when I'm moving tokens from right hand side to left hand side, that is here. I will save this file and run all 7 tests. So this is our original test. Okay, so I have phase 1 and then adding negative b on both sides. This is correct. Second test, it is correct as well. Third test, correct as well. Fourth test, again correct. Fifth test, this should be different. So here we are adding negative t on both sides and then negative fx, so we have 2 steps. And then test 6, correct also. And test 7, also correct. So we added the explanation for the phase 1, then we will move into the step 2. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.